Yo, what's up everyone? I'm Jackie YBT Tech Away Tech Everything. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna unbox this Baseus C17 Type-C wired earphone. So this is by far the cheapest Type-C earphone wired that I can find on Shopee. By the way, it's not sponsored video. I'm not sponsored by Shopee or Baseus. I bought it with my hard-earned cash. And the reason I got this is to use it on my Honor Pad X7 8.7 inches. You guys can check that video out. I made 2 videos of this tablet review and unboxing. Go check that out. Put the link there. I've been looking on YouTube, and I don't see anyone making a review video of this, at least in English. There's no English one. There are some like in Bahasa Indonesia, but I want English review. So far, I don't have. Wow, this is very hard to unbox. Definitely will kind of destroy the box. Wait, okay, there's a tape over there. Cut it aside. And you notice that the design of the earphone, it looks suspiciously similar to a certain product. Yeah, I guess you will know. Yeah, looks a lot like the Apple EarPods 4. All right, come out. Okay, just hold on with this container. Yep. Very cheap. I mean, the price itself reflect the quality of the packaging. And okay, their social media, and this is how you verify the product genuine or not. Okay, diagram 14mm diaphragm. I think it's the driver, I guess. High definition microphone. Yeah, it has a built-in microphone with volume up and volume down button, play, pause. Okay, and what else? Of course, Baseus product, you always get some stickers. Leo, their mascot. What is this? Okay, menu guy. Yeah, function operation. You can pause it if you want to read it for yourself. Right. So let me tell you some spec of this Baseus C17 wired Type-C earphones. Super small, I know, and they use silver for the typing. I don't know why they use that. Should have used black. Basically, is the material of the earphone is using ABS plus TPE. For the cable is TPE. The length is 1.1 meters and 14 mm moving coil. And sound frequency range is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. Yeah, that's it. No high resolution support. Yeah, forget about it. Yeah, it's not gonna happen with this price tag. Yeah. And made in China, obviously. It's a Chinese company. Okay. Yeah, the whole thing is pretty lightweight. When you wear it on your ears, you don't feel anything in terms of the weight. Yeah, you feel nothing on the weight. Super lightweight. Do expect that it's gonna tangle up. Yeah, even though they say they did some treatment, make it less easily to tangle up, but it's gonna happen. Yeah, because of the material they use. It's not the flat one. Okay, nothing else left. That's it. Okay, the cable feels alright. There's no special treatment on the cable. It's not braided. You can't find that with this price tag. I got this with the voucher, Shopee voucher applied. This only costs around 16 ringgit and 90 cents. So it's pretty cheap for USB Type-C. Of course, there are some other brands, Edifier, Ugreen, or so on. Those cost way more than this Baseus C17 Type C wired earphones. Yeah, those are like 20, 30 ringgit and above. Yeah, I just want something that it works. So yeah, let me untie this thing. Be right back. Okay, successfully untie it. Let me plug it to my tablet. Okay, it's in now. Yeah, close up look at the earphones itself. Yep, exactly the same as the Apple AirPods 4. Yeah, look at that, man. Yeah. You can't defend Bowser, man, for like copy the design. It's the same, man. But the build quality is pretty good. Yeah, I don't see any like line crack or something. Everything is well built. Okay, but will it sound the same as the Apple one? Let's find out. Okay, just show you the control. One press in the middle is pause, and then play. Volume up. Okay. Yeah, look at that. Volume up and volume down. Very nice. Okay, so I been listening for the past a minute so far. What I can say is, all right. So I've been listening to this song, Henry, for the past minute, and I find it that it has a weak bass. The mid is a bit hollow feel. The sound quality, like is the mid is not rich, weak mid tone, weak low, and not strong, not enough bass, and but the vocals is clear. I'll say clear vocal, and let me try to max the volume to maximum to see whether the sound will crack or not. Okay, there's no cracking noise even though I crank up the volume up to maximum. This is 200% volume. There's no crack, um, which is good. And I do expect that the volume to be, the sound quality to be like crack after you raise it to maximum volume. But there's nothing, very okay, very good. I mean, you can't complain that much, right? It's only 16 ringgit and 90 cents. Overall quality, I would say, is good for the price. And let me try out the microphone. All right, I just finished a record with the mic on this Baseus C17 Type C earphone. So let me save it and I'll play it right now. Okay, it will be this. Alright, I'm gonna play the recording right now and you guys can judge for yourself. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing. This is the mic test on the Baseus C17 Type C wired earphones, and I'm talking straight to the microphone. It's close to my mouth right now, and it's testing. Okay, as you can hear, it's pretty clear. Is, I would say, loud enough. You are able to understand the word that coming from my mouth. Yeah, so clear voice, pretty good. I do expect that the mic quality and the sound quality would be bad because of the price, right? It is super budget earphones, but it turns out okay. Okay, so this is how I wear it. Right, how it fits to my ears. I think it fits very well to my ear loop. Yeah, it's tight. It won't fall off easily. Let me just shake it hard. Yeah, it's not gonna fall off. However, this kind of design is not really good at blocking the noise from the outside compared to this type of earphones because of that silicone cushion. You just push. This will go deeper inside your eardrum, so it will block the noise, outside noise, much better than this kind of design, right? Yeah, it is what it is, but it still do a pretty good job like blocking most of the noise outside. Yeah, it fits me very well, and it's also quite comfortable. So if you want to use this for podcast, watching video, I would say the quality is pretty good on those type of entertainment, that kind of content you want to watch. And when it comes to music listening, I do find it the lack of bass and the hollowness of the audio quality from the 14 millimeter driver. Yeah, those are lacking when it comes to music listening. So if you want to use it for conference, doing phone calls, listening to podcasts, watching some videos that is not musically heavily based, then I would say it is good for those. You can buy these earphones, right? If you want to do those things, just don't expect that you will get a high-end good music listening experience out of this Baseus C17 Type C wire earphones, right? Those are, you need to spend more money to get that kind of experience, like the Sony extra bass earphones, which I did an unboxing many years ago, right? These are much better. It has much better music listening experience compared to this. But for the price, I can't complain much. It works, and I'm pretty happy for the price to the quality performance ratio. Yeah. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to give a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Goodbye.